Hey guys, today no long intros because I honestly wasn't even planning to record this video, but right now I'm setting up an AI content account for a client and got so inspired that I just had to hit record. The first place I always go to is Pinterest. For me, it's not just an app with pretty pictures, it's a massive library of ideas, probably the best source of inspiration that exists. It has millions of works from designers, photographers, illustrators, marketers, and AI artists from all over the world. And the best part, you can find ideas for literally any niche. For example, if you're in cosmetology, just search AI cosmetologist, and a huge number of options instantly shows up. I really love this style. These cute 3D characters look super modern and work great for social media. Sometimes I take an idea almost completely and adapt it to fit my needs. I swap out the character, style, colors, details, and then fit the image into my own account. Today is one of those days. I really liked a few ideas, so I decided to recreate them with my own photography and in my own Instagram style. For example, this work really inspired me. Here, the girl is literally coming out of the phone. It looks really effective. If before you needed Photoshop, hours of designer work, and solid experience to create something like this, today it's enough to just write the right prompt. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Opening ChatGPT. As references, I'm uploading three images. The first is a picture I liked that we found on Pinterest. The second is a photo because I want the AI to use my exact appearance. And the third is a screenshot of my Instagram feed. A lot of people forget about it. All that's left is to write a prompt and see what comes out. Honestly, the prompt here is super simple. No huge instructions spanning 2 pages. I simply wrote, generate the first image using photos 2 and 3. I think this turned out really great. The AI kept my appearance, matched the style of the reference account, and nailed it on the first try. And that's what impresses me the most right now. Let's try one more example. This time I'm using a different Pinterest reference and uploading my photo again. The principle stays the same. And notice how the prompt is kept super simple. I'm not describing my appearance, lighting, camera angle, or 20 other parameters. Basically, I'm just asking ChatGPT to recreate my photo in the style of the chosen reference. It figures out everything else from the images I uploaded. And literally within seconds, we get the result. That's why I say a good reference is often more important than a perfect prompt. The more clearly you show the AI what you want, the better the final image will be. You know what thought came to me right away? What if I use this anime version as a new reference? The idea is not to stop at one generation, but to gradually develop it further. That's exactly how the most interesting images are born. Each new generation becomes a reference for the previous one, so I simply save this image and upload it back into ChatGPT. Let's see what we get now. While AI is generating the image, I'll keep looking for inspiration. Wasting this time would be a shame. And literally within a minute, I find another great reference. And honestly, when I saw it, I immediately knew we had to try this too. Let's see what we got. The AI didn't just copy the new image, it kept the character we created just a minute ago and placed him in a completely different scene. Now let's move on to the final generation. Here I simply wrote, use the girl from the second photo instead of the girl from the first photo. And look at what we got. ChatGPT moved my character, that's me, into the new composition while preserving the reference style. Next, I decided to personalize the image and simply asked it to replace the nickname with mine. Literally one short command and the image already looks like it was created specifically for my account. But I still didn't like the outfit, so instead of rewriting the whole prompt, I just asked ChatGPT to redress me. And with one short command, it completely changed the look. This is exactly how I work with ChatGPT, without trying to write the perfect prompt from the start. I gradually refined the image with small commands, changing the composition, then individual details, then the outfit, text, or any other elements. And one more thing worth knowing, sometimes ChatGPT leaves small traces of the generation. Most often it's some strange spots on the face or small skin imperfections. Ever noticed that? So before publishing, I always quickly check the image and if needed, clean it up in persona. It takes less than a minute, but those little touches make the result look way more professional. If you want to learn how to create designs quickly and without unnecessary hassle, subscribe to the channel. I regularly share practical tutorials that will help you work more efficiently and design at a professional level. See you soon.